Unlock the ultimate self-care giveaway. Win free emotional freedom technique, EFT Therapy. Are you feeling overwhelmed or stuck in the hustle of life? It's time to prioritize you. Enter the ultimate self-care giveaway and get a chance to win free emotional freedom technique, EFT sessions that can help you reduce anxiety, find calm, and regain control. Here's how it works. First, join by entering your name and email at Tap Into Your Best Self. Second, perform actions. Complete bonus tasks to increase your chances. 3. Invite friends. For every friend you refer, you get 20 more entries. Let's take that first step toward emotional freedom and balance together. Are you feeling overwhelmed or stuck? It's time to take control of your emotions and find peace within. At Tap Into Your Best Self, we offer expert EFT, emotional freedom technique therapy, to help you release stress, anxiety, and negative emotions. Start your journey to a more balanced life now. Tap into your best self today. Email: sophia@tapintourbestself.com. Website: tapintourbestself.com.